in New Jersey, Hunterdon and Somerset. The National Weather Service in Mount Holly, New Jersey has issued a flood warning for urban areas and small streams in east central Hunterdon County in northwest New Jersey, western Somerset County in northern New Jersey, until 4:30 a.m. At 10:33 p.m. small streams are rising steadily in portions of the warning area. The south branch of the north branch of the Raritan was soon to exceed flood stage, and numerous streams in the area look to be near bank full. Scattered moderate showers moving northeastward through the area at 10:30 p.m. may become a more widespread area of heavy rain between 11 p.m. and 1 a.m. This could prompt more extensive, but generally minor small stream flooding. A flood warning means that flooding is imminent or has been reported. Stream rises will be slow, and flash flooding is not expected. However, all interested parties should take necessary precautions immediately. Excessive runoff from heavy rainfall will cause flooding of small creeks and streams, highways and underpasses. Additionally, country roads and farmlands along the banks of creeks, streams and other low-lying areas are subject to flooding. Be especially cautious at night when it is harder to recognize the dangers of flooding. If flooding is observed, act quickly. Move up to higher ground to escape flood waters. Do not stay in areas subject to flooding when water begins rising.
The surf zone forecast